Everybody, Adam, Tracy, and for the longest time, mostly before online gaming, especially sports books, were legal amongst the states, you had a preponderance of offshore gaming affiliate platforms, and you still do, right? Where anybody could, anybody, really need to know anything about gaming, really. It was more like clickbait type stuff, but you could also do paperhead and kind of different models, and it was a really lucrative business, still is. So the question becomes, well, wow, DraftKings is legal in Maryland or wherever, and I want to be an affiliate for a US based sportsbook or casino, whatever the case may be. And it's not as easy as just sort of saying you're an affiliate and signing up with, the actual casino to get paid. In 11 states, at least, and growing, you have to be licensed to be an affiliate. And the licensing process ranges from just paying a fee, which some states can be like $1,500 or more, to states like Pennsylvania where you have to get fingerprinted to be an affiliate, right? And then some states don't make sense. Single operator states like Delaware and all, it doesn't pay off. But in some states, just to drive traffic and act as an affiliate, right, whether it's paperhead or whatever, you have to go through a sometimes rigorous licensing process. And given the incremental gains that an affiliate, depending on your model, can sometimes earn, that application and licensing fee can actually be relatively daunting because you really have to know what you're doing, and you may not immediately make the $2,500 or whatever is back, right? Not to mention, fees get fingerprinted and all this kind of stuff. So it is a thing. And I'll put up on my website, adamtracy.io, the state by state, just basic requirements for gaming affiliate licensing and what states it is required and what states it's not. And, you're overwhelmingly going to see that it's deals with sports books, right? Not so much the casino states like Michigan, Michigan, Pennsylvania. But there is a process, and they enforce it very, very, very stringently, right? So if you want to get into that space in the US, right, which in this environment, trying to draw US players as an affiliate to an offshore book can be dicey, right, because of the Unlawful Internet Gaming Act and how they are interpreting it and the regulations that sort of leak out from time to time, which aren't, voted on by Congress. They're just sort of promulgated. You have to be very cogent of what you're doing and who you're doing it to. Now, as an aside, daily fantasy affiliates, with the exception of a few states, there's no licensing requirement to run daily fantasy, as it's deemed to be a game of skill. So as such, being an affiliate of a daily fantasy also doesn't require licensing. Sweepstakes, no licensing. Lotto, no licensing. There's sites where there's courier sites, which you've probably seen, where you can literally buy tickets, and other states, nothing required there. But before you just go headlong and say, well, I'm going to drive, become an affiliate of whatever in whatever state, note that there is a fairly detailed licensing process which you have to go through. And I'll detail each state in lieu of, rambling for 45 more minutes here on my site, and definitely check it out. If you have questions in terms of the process for any given state, or how you have to do it, or what the structure, right, and what an affiliate can truly get into, which does vary state by state. Some states almost allow paperhead, some states don't. You can never handle money though. Definitely hit me up, Adam at adamtracy.io. I'll talk to you next time. Cheers.